adjustment. If you would, go ahead and take a deep breath for me. And exhale all the way. Okay. We're going to try that one more time. Go ahead and take a deep breath. Exhale all the way. Okay. Okay, I'm going to massage your calves and your legs. You did mention that the back pain radiates a little bit towards your legs, so I'm going to take care of that as well.